Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel TECHKNO LERNEN, under which we are going to present video of Python series. So let us go with the content under part 1. As you can see that this is the content list of the Python module under part 1, in which in the previous video we are already familiar with the introduction to the Python, and if you did not visit that video then I will provide the link of the video in description box. So for the today video, let us start with the installation of Python. And in the first I will tell you how to install Python in your PC, and for those who do not have access PC for them, then I will also tell for the installing of the app, that is Pydroid 3 for their Android phone. So let us first start installing Python for PC, and then we will tell you how to install the application for your Android phone. So let us start. Let's go. Go to the Google and click on the Python, and it will take some time, and you can click on welcome to python.org and it will open to the Python. Go to the download section and you can see that there is a Python 3.8.5, and just click on download Python 3.8.5, then it will be download, and just save your file to your PC, and its size is 25.5 MB, and just save your file. And you can see that here the Python is just downloading, and it is 1 minute 23 seconds left out of 25.5 MB. Friends, for installing Python in your Android phone, first let us visit Play Store and then search a app whose name is Pydroid 3 and ID for Python, and then install it. And it takes some time in your installing as per your internet speed, and after first opening it will take some time to build your interface, and you can see that there is your interface of your Pydroid 3. And from next video I will teach you coding in Python from basic level, and you can code it here you can type it anything, and for sake of simplicity I will type the name of my channel. You can also type here your name, and after executing your code you can see your name printed here, and here this is my channel name, that is TECHKNO LERNEN. And from next video I will tell you executing code in this compiler. So friends, that is all about installing Python in both Windows and Android. So if you have any doubt regarding installing in either Windows or Android, then comment it below in comment section, and also I will provide link regarding installation in comment section. So in next video we will deal about basic learning of Python from beginning, and we will learn coding, and also we will introduce our first program and introduce variables. So thank you guys, and see you in next video.